Dog hates us. Don't wiggle it, it might come off the wall.
Well, that's on the bike.
And that is why I use 12mm, because it's so flexible, dead easy to move, and more accurate. 18's a bit too big for shells, I think. That's why I've made the bracing bigger. You scrambled all them biscuits? No.
Wow, that was you, right?
There's one left.
That was one left, so you've had 4.
Hey?
I had 2, you had 4.
No, there's one left. No, there's none left.
What do you have to say for yourself? You can have a biscuit.
Tastes nice.
What does Brad stand for?
It's a bloke that lives in the box.
Seriously though.
Paslow had employed him as a mascot, so I put him in the bag, in the box. So if you're lucky, you get a free Brad with every nail. Right, we've got a door to fit. I'm making it into a stable door, so I'm ripping this oak one in half. So round halfway, square it up, scoot all the way along. Check both sides, see if it is actually middle. She is. Does she separate? No! I've still not gone through enough! Are you kidding me? Well, it looks like half of a door. Done the picture rail too wide. So I'm cutting it down shorter so the pictures stand up more upright, because now they're pretty much leaning back and you can't see them. So I'll do that.
You've been at this for about 5 minutes, Jason.
I'm cutting this out because your attitude stinks. I have the nail gun. I'm stressed at a picture rail that is 3 pieces of timber.
Yeah, you're out of depth.
Yeah, I'm out of my depth. I'm completely and utterly out of my depth. I'm swimming in a sea of stress. That's terrible. That is absolutely terrible. This isn't going well. My arcs aren't big enough. I misjudged the size of the actual original opening. I haven't got any timber to pack it out with. I'm stuck. finally had a change of plan. I had to go to timber yard to get a bit more timber so we can properly do the job, because it would be botched last time if we did it the way I was going to do it. Always make that extra bit of effort. If you're fitting door casings, ignore if that's flush, always make sure the inner rebated edge is flush. People always tell you to level both legs and your head. Don't do that. Level your head, your hinge side, that's my hinge side, and then measure across whatever the width of your door is plus a quarter of an inch. And then the door will always fit. She fits.
That's quality, that.